Hi Rob, this is Connor here from CN Digital. Hope you're doing well. My partner Iggy had connected with you on Facebook, so I wanted to have a bit of a review of your site and your business, and provide some insight. I was just looking at the business that you provide. Seems awesome. As I said, different approach to obviously website services and hosting and website building. So yeah, I found this very interesting what you're doing. So firstly, what I'll do is I'll actually just have a bit of, the website looks really good. It's really clear and really easy for me to understand what you're doing, which is great. The only thing, as I said, more so that I'm thinking about is, right, you've got an amazing website. You can have the most beautiful billboard, but if you stick it in the middle of the desert and nobody ever sees it, it's a waste of time really, and a waste of something beautiful. Um, so firstly, what I'll look at is your website, meta descriptions, title tags, that kind of thing. So what I did is I typed in site onlinerob.com. So what it comes up is you've got 8 pages in results. Here's the title tags, which I'm sure you're well aware of. So with title tags, we want these to be keyword optimized for SEO, which means that like here it's good. It says free website services, but it could have more things like website hosting, other services that you're actually providing instead of saying online Rob, because it's not actually best practice to put the name of your company in there unless you're Amazon, Facebook, or some well-known name that people can resonate with, because otherwise this means nothing to anybody, because this is your opportunity to obviously entice them in onto your website, as well as having the right keywords in here, so that when people are searching for your products and services they can find the page exactly they're looking for. So again, here you've got online Rob as like the first word in here. We want to have this keyword optimized as well, and actually like again, your opportunity one to have a lot of the right here. You have web design, which is great. Um, you know, um, Promotional videos maybe is pretty good, but and logo. But you want to have, yeah, you've got a lot of room. Obviously, you can see here there's a lot more for more content in here. Again, it's an opportunity one to pitch people, to let them know what the page is about, so that they actually click in. It's like your clickbait, and as well as we want to have this keyword optimized. You can see down here, this is not, obviously it's on your contact page, but it's not optimized. Same here, good. It says website services, but and this one again, there's a lot more you can do with this to improve these. The next thing I did was I just dropped your actual domain into SEMRush, one of our tools, and it's showing here that you're not really getting any traffic. Your authority score is 5 out of 100, which has a lot of room for improvement. You've got quite a lot of backlinks, which is good, but you're receiving no traffic to the website. So just for instance, I dropped these guys snov.io in, and their authority score is 52. They're getting almost 130,000 people a month coming to their website, 182,000 backlinks. They're doing a bit of paid search, and this is what I'm talking about in terms of keywords. They've got almost 70,000 keywords um, in the website, and here you can see the top graph is organic traffic, and the bottom graph is the keywords. So you can see that like the traffic is increasing with the amount of keywords that they're ranking for in the website, and thus when it goes down, the traffic also goes down. So just to give you kind of just like an idea of some of these keywords, this is like the top five. So email checker, which is what they do, they actually help people find emails, check emails of websites. So there's 27,000 people searching email checker every month. Email verifier, 18,000 people searching that every month. They're in position number 2 of Google. So on the when you go onto a search page on Google, there's 10 listings in the organic section. The top section is generally your adverts. So they're in position number 2 for this. It's driving about 10% and almost 6.5% of their traffic through these two keywords. So the whole idea is again on yours, you're not ranking for any keywords. So we want to start ranking you for some real keywords that is going to generate traffic, like website building, logo design, um, website hosting, all these kind of things that if people are searching that, then your services are going to be applicable. So again, that just gives you an idea, and you can see with some of their competitors, they've got 10,000 keywords and 86,000 people coming to their website. These guys have 21,000 keywords, 35,000 people coming to their website, same 1,000 keywords, and they've got 1,600 keywords, and you got 28,000 traffic coming to their website. So just kind of showing you a correlation of traffic with that. And again, here it's showing you branded and non-branded. So branded is where their actual name is in the keyword, and non-branded is like types of keywords like email verifier and checker. So 90% of their keywords are non-branded, which is great because that's the kind of traffic you want into your website. So that's just again very high level because obviously your website isn't showing a lot, so I couldn't go into too much detail on your own personal website. It just shows me that there's huge amount of improvement for your website overall in order to start making the website become a revenue driver for your business. Um, because obviously you'd mentioned to Iggy that you have like I think about 230 people subscribed, which is great, and he says you've been doing that organically, which is awesome. That's also something that we help with is drive is providing organic outreach and driving um, organic traffic to to your website or to your business through social media, as well as helping with SEO or adverts. You mentioned you're just touching on adverts now, Facebook ads and that kind of thing as well, which is also something that we can potentially help with. Um, but yeah, it's awesome how far you've gotten so far. All doing this all yourself, but it's definitely something that we can help with. And obviously, in terms of what we do, it can potentially be something that you actually offer to like the customers that you have here. Again, if you've got 230 customers that are actively, doing this with you, they built a website, they're gonna need marketing. So what we've done with a lot of people in your space. So I have some designers and stuff that I work with, and they basically just bring us in referrals all the time from their customers because every customer that builds a website needs marketing. At some point, whether they're doing it themselves, it tends to be only for a certain period of time because they don't want to be consumed by all the time actually spent doing the marketing. So what we can potentially do is look at doing some form of partnership. We can actually help with your marketing, um, but also you could basically pay for your marketing by the referrals that you could get through the existing customer base that you have, and could potentially service some of those customers and make your marketing basically you know cost you nothing, by the sounds of it, because you've got quite a lot of customers to reach out to that you could offer these services to, and could make your cost negative, your marketing, which would be ideal, I'm sure. So yeah, if you want to have a further conversation around your business and the opportunities, then let's organize a call and have a further discussion. Talk to you soon.